How does cooling enable rapid charging for EV batteries? Imagine plugging in your electric vehicle and charging it in just a fraction of the usual time. That quick charge is possible thanks to advanced cooling systems that keep the battery safe and efficient. When an electric vehicle charges rapidly, it generates a lot of heat inside the battery cells. This heat comes from chemical reactions happening as the battery accepts electrical energy. If this heat isn't managed properly, the battery can overheat, which might cause damage or safety issues. That's where cooling systems step in to make rapid charging safe and effective. Cooling systems work by transferring heat away from the battery cells. During fast charging, the battery can produce several kilowatts of heat. To handle this, cooling methods use conduction, where heat moves from the battery to the cooling surface. Convection, where a coolant like water glycol mixture flows around or through the battery to carry heat away. And sometimes phase change, where coolants absorb heat by changing from liquid to vapor. These processes help keep the battery within a safe temperature range. Active cooling systems are common. They use pumps, fans, or compressors to circulate coolants around the battery pack. Liquid cooling is more effective than air because liquids have higher thermal conductivity and heat capacity. For example, water glycol mixtures are often used because they can absorb and carry away heat efficiently. Some systems circulate refrigerants directly through channels in the battery pack, which allows rapid heat removal and keeps the temperature even across all cells. This uniformity prevents hotspots that could damage parts of the battery. Another technique is immersive cooling, where the entire battery is submerged in a non-conductive liquid coolant. This method offers excellent heat transfer because the coolant is in direct contact with the cells, helping to maintain a consistent temperature and prevent localized overheating. It is especially useful for ultra-fast charging, where heat removal needs to be very efficient. Cooling systems are often integrated with the vehicle's battery management system. This system constantly monitors the temperature of the battery cells. When it detects high temperatures during rapid charging, it adjusts the coolant flow or cooling power accordingly. This dynamic control keeps the battery within safe limits, preventing overheating and thermal runaway. Some charging stations also have external cooling systems that connect to the vehicle. These stations use specialized refrigerant circuits that circulate coolant between the charger and the battery, reducing the weight and complexity of the vehicle's cooling system. By effectively removing heat, cooling systems enable higher charging currents. This means your electric vehicle can charge faster without risking damage to the battery. They also ensure the temperature stays uniform across all cells, which helps extend the battery's lifespan. When the battery stays cool during rapid charging, it reduces thermal degradation and maintains performance over time. In simple terms, cooling systems are the secret behind quick, safe, and reliable fast charging for electric vehicles. They use smart designs and advanced heat transfer methods to keep batteries cool, making rapid charging not just possible but safe for everyday use.